Lovelies! Welcome back to the channel. I am here today with something that I'm like really excited about. It's an unboxing that I've never done before, but I am super hyped for. And it is NMNL, which stands for No Make No Life. And I believe make as in makeup, I think, because a little bit of a language thing. Because this subscription box is basically Korean and Japanese beauty products like skincare and makeup and stuff, which I'm so excited for because you guys obviously know I love makeup, and recently I became like really into skincare to try to sort out my acne, and it has been working pretty well actually. I have cleared up my skin a lot. I've got a couple of new little spots that popped up out of nowhere that I'm not happy about, but generally I've been making a lot of improvements to my skin and I've been having a lot of fun with skincare, and I'm very excited for this. I really am. So we're just gonna dive right in. Oh! I forgot, because it's October, every box has a theme, and the theme of this box is Harajuku Halloween. Oh my gosh. I might not get to go to Tokyo for Halloween this year again, which is very sad, but at least I've got something fun going on. Ooh. Okay, right, everything that's in the box is in this, so we're gonna look at this at the end, because... Okay! Everything looks cute. Okay, so first of all, ooh, we have a Bling Cat eye patch. Pure and mild, a calming, balancing skincare for smooth, refreshed skin. Ooh, and it's just like one that goes around your eyes, and it's like this. That's cute. Oh, with a little bow. That is adorable. I am excited for that. And it has information in English and Korean. I was gonna say Japanese, it's Korean. So that is cool. Ooh. We have it's a full sheet mask this time, and this is a Pumpkin Rejuvenate Soothing Glow Rejuvenate Mask with real pumpkin. Oh, and it contains 10 kinds of oriental extract complexes and botanical extract to provide rich nourishment to both coarse and dried skin to make it healthier. That's good. And again, it has the instructions in Korean and English, so that is good. And look how cute! I love it. So autumny. Ooh, what is this? Pop Devil Color Treatment. This also seems to be a Korean product because most of the writing's in Korean, but then there's also a sticker on it with Japanese. Okay, this one does not have the English, but I assume that like English instructions will be in here. Let me just show you really quick. It's really cute. I don't know why my camera's not, oh, here we go. Cute. Hair dye? I'm thinking maybe this is hair dye, which I feel maybe isn't the best thing for a subscription box, because it's not going to apply to a lot of people, but we'll see. I'll read it at the end. Regardless, it's a really cute looking little product. I'm just thinking like, you know, that's gonna be a hard one to like please a lot of people with, but let's have a look and see what else is in here. Ooh. So this is a Japanese product by the looks of it, and it says eye mask, relax and beauty. There's no English on this, but what I think it is like a sort of like, it's like not a treatment, it's like, you know, like a permanent, like it's a thing that you own. It's not like something you use once and throw away. It's like a silicone mask, and it has little lumps on the inside, so I'm thinking the idea is like some sort of acupressure, if you get me. So this is what it looks like. This is the back. So yeah, I'm assuming it's like some sort of acupressure, and let me just have a look at it. I wonder if you like put it in the fridge first or something. Again, we'll find out whenever I get the pamphlet. Oh, I see. Ah, okay. So yeah, it has little things that go over your ears. So you put that on and then stretch these over your ears. I don't want to wreck my makeup. But yeah, look at the cool little lumps on the inside. That's really interesting, and I'm actually pretty excited to use this. Huh. I'm really excited about the pumpkin face mask. That sounds very nice. Oh, cute! So there are some nail stickers in here, and they're a bit sort of like Maury Girl, I feel like. They're very naturey. They're also a bit Irishy for some reason. There's like 4-leaf clovers and like a strange baby with like a leprechaun hat, which is a bit odd. There's a few strange things in here, but there's definitely a bunch of cute ones that I would definitely use. So yeah, they're all very sort of like naturey themed, which is pretty cute. Not very Halloween-y, but definitely cute. We have something here that I think is a lip gloss. This seems to be Japanese, and the little sort of top came off of it, but it's like a cute little sort of stripy monster. I don't know how well you can see, but the lip gloss itself looks like it's sort of like actually put into the tube in stripes. So you've got like pink, like clear glittery gloss, but then there's also purple. So I guess as you pull it out, it's gonna mix those together, which is really cool. Let me show you a bit better. It's really interesting, and it looks really cute. This definitely looks like it'll be like a nice topper for like lipstick whenever I'm in like one of my really pink moods, so I'm excited about that. Oh, there's actually a little eyeshadow palette in here. This is Japanese by the looks of it. Oh, it's actually Sanrio licensed. Merlin, I've never heard of Merlin. Oh, and it's a lip and eyeshadow lip and cheek palette. Let me see if I can get this open so we can have a look. Oh, I see. Oh, that's cute. So this is what the inside looks like. So you have 4 little eyeshadow colors there, and then a like sort of what you call it? I can't think of the word, but it's like a lip and cheek tint. So that's really, really cute. I've never used anything like that on my cheeks before, but I see a lot of other people doing it and I would like to give it a try. But this seems like something really handy to just sort of keep in your bag. I feel like I'll actually probably put this in one of like my pink bags because it is like more those sort of colors. So I'll probably have this as like, you know, like a backup makeup thing in one of my pink bags in case I ever need to just like, you know, whip out some eyeshadow or some like, you know, lip or cheek tint. So that's really cute. It's just very like compact and small and cute and like light. Convenient. And then there's one more thing in here, and oh, it is Japanese and it's Happy Halloween bath powder. Cute. So I guess this is like a bath bomb but just in powder form. That's really cute. I wonder what it smells like. I'm excited to try that. So yeah, that was everything in this box. So let me have a read through the little pamphlet and then we can talk about what I thought. Okay, yeah, that's right. So, Lucky Wink Acupressure Face Mask. Ooh. We found your Halloween costume. Just kidding. This funky looking beauty tool is actually an acupressure face mask. The Japanese secret to a glowing complexion. Wear this mask 1 minute per day for healthy and beautiful skin. God, that's not very long. Well, that's cool, and I am excited to try it. I feel like I'd probably wear it for longer than a minute, but it's interesting anyway. I do wonder, like, the validity of it. Like, I do wonder how like, you know, just like pressure points could give you a better complexion, but I'm interested. Number 2, Esfolio Pumpkin Rejuvenate Mask. If you can hear music, I don't know if my camera's going to pick it up, but if you can hear music in the background, it's because Jake is working on something, so. Pumpkins do not only symbolize Halloween. Did you know that they also improve skin elasticity? That's why the sheet mask from Esfolio is an anti-aging boost which even younger women can benefit from. Leave this mask on for 15 to 20 minutes for the best results. And it's free from harmful ingredients like MIT, CMIT, parabens, mineral oils, and silicones. Mew Girl nail stickers, yes. It says creepify your nails with these high quality Japanese nail stickers. In your box comes one of the 7 cute or creepy designs that will make you stand out this Halloween. Okay, I definitely didn't go creepy one. That's why I was like, creepify your nails? Like, it's no. The only thing that's kind of creepy is the baby with the leprechaun hat. I mean, I can see little snippets of what the other ones are, and none of them look creepy from what I can tell. They all look very cute. Ackwell. Oh! Tony Moly Bling Cat Eye Patch. I didn't realize that eye patch was Tony Moly. Become the superhero you never knew you were with this adorable cat eye mask. It moisturizes, softens, and brightens the skin around your eyes for a youthful look. And again, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes for the best results. It uses glycerin, oh, niacinamide, that's a good ingredient, and herbal extracts. Good. Fate Grand Order / Sanrio Makeup Palette. Okay, so Sanrio collaborated with the popular Japanese game Fate Grand Order to create these adorable makeup palettes. Ah, and it's inspired by one of the characters. Okay. Oh, so there's different ones. Ah, I've never heard of that before. Happy Halloween bath powder. Enjoy a spooky orange bath with this bath powder for a busy night of trick-or-treating, partying, or watching horror movies. Contains moisturizing ingredients like peach extract and vitamin E. Ooh. And it has a blend of sweet milk aroma and Japanese tea to create a relaxing autumn-inspired aroma. I am really excited for that. Momoko's Fruits Gloss. Don't be frightened of this cute monster. The Momoko's Fruits Gloss is the most adorable Harajuku-esque packaging. It really does. And comes in mango, cherry, peach, and grapefruit. Ooh, which one did I get? Peach. Good, yay, that's probably like the one I wanted the most, I think. It's definitely like my favorite color out of the ones available, so that's good. Pop Devil Color Treatment. Halloween is the perfect time to try something wild. Change up your hair color with the Pop Devil Color Treatment. In your box comes one of the 3 colors currently trending in Korea: Ash Pink, Ash Lilac, or Ash Violet. And if your hair is long, give the ombre look a try. Yeah, so that, I mean, that's not going to be of much help to me. Oh well. Okay, that was everything. So we got 8 things in there. So that was really fun. I think like honestly the only product that I think was like not the best choice is the color treatment, just because I feel like there'd be so many people who aren't going to be able to use this. So probably not the best thing for like a surprise subscription box, but it is like a cute little product anyway. So hopefully some people get some fun out of it. But the rest I really loved, and I have looked at their website at like all their past boxes to see like what, you know, because you could like they have a section to show what's been in the boxes that have already been released, and generally I do think like the stuff is like usually pretty spot on. This is like the only thing I've ever seen where I'm like, eh. So I still really enjoyed this. I do enjoy that it had a mild Halloween theme. Also when it comes to like beauty and skincare, there's only so Halloweeny you can get, but like, you know, the point of the box, it's not a Halloween box, it's a skincare box, but they just happen to have a bit of a Halloween theme. And there were some cute things. I'm really excited to try the pumpkin face mask. I'm really interested in this weird thing. I love just strange little beauty gadgets like that, so I am kind of pumped. Plus it's really cute and the little lip gloss smells amazing. I am definitely just pretty excited for this overall. So yeah, if it is an option to me, if NoMakeNoLife ever wants to work together again, I would definitely get this box again. It's something that is very relevant to my interests personally, so I am very happy. So yeah, please do leave a comment and let me know what you thought. Also let me know if there are any like Korean skincare products you recommend trying, because I've been like really interested in that recently, but there's just so much out there that I never really know like, you know, like where to start. So do leave me recommendations. I would love to know. I've been like so obsessed with watching videos of people going to like Korean skincare clinics and getting all like the crazy treatments with like the lasers and like all sorts of mad stuff done. I am like addicted to those videos right now. I love just watching that magic. I'd like just someone take me to Korea and just let them make me pretty, please. But yeah, honestly, just all this kind of stuff is a big point of interest for me right now. So yeah, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought. If you enjoyed the video, do give it a thumbs up for me so I know. I'd love to see that. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. That would be wonderful. We'd love to have you as part of the family. And finally, before you go, if you could check out I was doing another video before this and I have swatches on my hand. Before you go, if you could check out my Patreon, that would be amazing. It is the best possible way that you can support me and this channel, and I just really appreciate it. So the link for that is also in the description. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, lovelies!